Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing Kalay Cholay or black chickpea recipe. It was a request from a viewer and a good friend, Tahmina Inam, and before that I never tried making the Kalay Cholay. So this is my mom's recipe and I am sharing with you guys today. So let's go and make it happen. So first for this recipe, we need Kalay Cholay or black chickpeas. I'm adding those in a big cooking pot and I'll start washing them up with the running water until the water clears up. So you have to do this process at least 3-4 times. Then I'm filling this pot up and then we will leave these chana for soaking. I would prefer overnight or at least 4 to 6 hours. So just cover the lid and leave it on your counter, and the next morning you can see the chanas are doubled in their size. Now throw this water away and fill a clean water and put it on a stove for boiling while I'm adding some salt and baking soda, and just bring it to one boil, then cover lightly and cook them until they are completely tender. So these black chickpeas are different from the white chickpeas. Their skin is a little harder. So how I test them, I just took out a few chanas, pressed them with my thumb, and if you think they are soft and tender, so just transfer them into a colander and then drain some extra water and keep this chana on the side. Now for this recipe, I need some potatoes as well. So I cut the potatoes into cube, add a little bit of salt and boil them. Now to make the chana, I'm heating some oil in a saucepan and adding some chopped onions and cook them until they are soft. Then I'm adding some cumin seeds and red crushed pepper. Cook these masala for at least a minute or two. Then I'm adding that boiled potatoes. Potatoes are completely tender, but we just wanted to roast them a little. Then I'm adding black chickpeas or gala chana in there. Mix them and cook them for like a minute or two. Then I'm adding some tamarind pulp, salt, and chaat masala. Now be careful with the salt. Chana, potatoes, and chaat masala already have salt. Mix them very well and cook them on a medium heat for at least 5 minutes until extra water dried out from tamarind pulp. Then switch off the flame and add some chopped cilantro and green chilies. Let them cool down a little bit. Then I transfer them into a serving bowl and I top them off with some chopped tomatoes and chopped cilantros. So here's how I make my kala chana or black chickpeas. If you're trying this for iftar, please let me know how it turned out with you with the hashtag Ramadan with morEwish. Please remember me and my family in your prayers, and this time don't forget to remember my mom. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below. And once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.